and then her picture. This is the most exciting part of my life, unwrapping this one. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Edmilin, and if you're new here, please be part of the family. Please do subscribe and click the notification bell beside it so that you will get notification every time I upload videos or new videos like this or another video. And if you're not new, thank you so much for being part of the family. For today's video guys, I am going to show you the items I got from Folklore merch. The first one is from Shopee PH, and I already received it on August. And the second one is from directly from Taylor Swift store, and I ordered it on July 31, and it just arrived now, November. So that means I waited for almost 4 months, I think. So, first, I'm going to show you the video of unwrapping the item I got from Shopee PH. That's the video for unwrapping my Deluxe album from Shopee PH, and that is the Meet Me Behind Them All. I got it here right next to me. So guys, this is the best ever. Everything about Taylor Swift is the best. And I am so excited guys to unwrap right now the cardigan. Oh no. What I have done? What happened here? So guys, I just removed the lyric booklet. This is the prologue part, the first page, and then her picture. So everything here are the lyrics. The first is the one, and then Cardigan lyrics, and then her picture again, and then the last Great American Dynasty lyrics, and then Exile, My Tears Ricochet. I'm so sorry guys, I'm just going to close this up for you. So this is her, again, her picture, and then Mirror Ball lyrics, and then 7, and then her picture, August lyrics, This Is Me Trying lyrics, Illicit Affairs lyrics, Invisible String, and then Mad Woman, Epiphany lyrics, and her picture. This is the best picture I think. And then Betty lyrics, then Peace, and then Hawks, and then the bonus music or the bonus song from her deluxe album, Deluxe. And this is the back page. So, I can only afford one. I almost didn't afford it, guys. During the quarantine, it happened that the savings I got is enough to purchase these items. So, this is the most exciting part of my life, unwrapping this one. This is directly from Taylor Swift's store. I have no bank account, guys. The payment I did here is through PayPal. My boyfriend asked his cousin to link his bank account, and he's so generous and let me use his bank account to purchase this one. I'm so happy that it really happened. I don't know how can I... Maybe I'll just do it like this. Here. But the thing here, guys, is I already paid for the shipping fee, but when it arrives where I'm staying, is I still need to give an extra shipping fee locally. It is 220 pesos. Oh my god, it happened. I'm so excited. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. This is a real cardigan. Oh my gosh. I have no... Oh my god, there are confetti. I got confetti. Oh my gosh. Dream come true. Oh my gosh, I got confettis. There are many confetti. This is so big. Oh my gosh. Lots and lots of confetti are going on here. I cannot cry. I cannot cry. But my heart... I'm in size extra small or small, guys. Oh my god! Oh my god! This smells like... Smells like a normal coat. Can you believe it? It actually happened to me. I have confettis everywhere. And then, cardigan! Oh my god. Guys, I prepared this makeup look so that I can photo shoot right away after I get this. Let's try it. Ba't sabi nila amoy plastic to? Hindi naman. So big. It's so big. Be, ang laki be. Wala, ang init. It's so cozy, guys. But comfortable. Ganda. This is so beautiful. It's so gorgeous. Hello, ganda. Doesn't feel itchy. If you guys already watched Cardigan, if you're not a Swiftie, you must watch it right now because you can find this cardigan in her music video. So guys, this is how it looks like when I wear it. So it's heavy and it's big, but it's so cozy and it's just so gorgeous. Look at the stars right over here. I don't know what to say anymore. It feels like... Is it itchy? No, it's not itchy to me. Smells like normal yarn. So I'm so obsessed with all these details right over here and there and here. It's a beautiful look. And I also wear black shorts so that it will be matched with her photo shoot. I don't have her dress in her music video, so I just wear shorts so that I can match with her picture in her store. If you saw that. That's it guys for this video. I hope you really enjoyed it because I enjoyed it so much. This is the best ever unboxing that happened to me, or unwrapping, because there are lots of confetti right over here. I only watch guys so many videos in the YouTube showing their Taylor Swift merch in every era, and I just got this quarantine everything that I want in Taylor Swift merch. So stay tuned guys for my next video about Taylor Swift merch. And if you're interested guys, just subscribe here and click the notification bell beside it so that you will get notifications every time I upload this kind of video or any kind of video. So see you on my next video. Bye!